Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link two tasks together in Asana, so let's get right into it. There are two ways of doing this. One is actually inserting the link of an already existing task into the description of another, or you can create a subtask or move one task to be the subtask of a different one. So I'm going to be showing you those two ways, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'll be using the task named name and the task named meeting, and I'm going to link these two together. Firstly, I'm going to go into meeting, click on it, and in the top right, as you can see, you have these two link icons sort of like here. It says copy task link. You just want to click on that, and then you're going to go into the one that you're going to want to link it with, and then go into the description, click on it, and then click here to insert a link, or click Control K, and now you're going to be pasting the URL there, and as you can see, now it has been linked to the other task. And if I go to the description of this, it's gonna be there for, well, pretty much every time. Now I could add a description here in the field, well, space, I guess you could call it. I'm pretty sure there is a description here. It looks like there actually might not be, so I'm just gonna ignore that. But if you click on name, that meeting will always be linked. Now to create a subtask, you just need to click add subtask, and now that it's here, I'm sure you don't even need to do that. You don't even need to click add subtask. You just need to click on the task that you want to create into subtask, drag it over into this task, and then just hover over add subtask, release, and as you can see, that task has been set as a subtask. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.